Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We are going to be breaking down the USDCHF. Once again, that is the USDCHF. But before we get started to break down this chart and this Forex pair, we have to say that this video is for education purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Break down this forex pair because before we break down the chart, we break down what's fundamentally happening with each currency. We're going to start off with the CHF. Last time we got some news come out about the CHF, that was actually yesterday. Yesterday morning during the London session around 3:30 in the morning Eastern time, in which we had the PMI come out about the CHF. It was better than what they was predicted it would be, but it was actually smaller than it was previously. So it kind of puts it in a mixed boat, but heading more towards leaning towards a more stronger side than the more weaker side of it being mixed. But the thing about it is a couple dark clouds hanging over the CHF. One has to do with inflation related to global political economics related to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. As long as we have this conflict going on in Europe, no European continent's economy is going to be trustworthy enough to be investing or making money in, because the entire destabilization the entire European continent's economy has been destabilized. So that is also affecting Switzerland, which is also affecting the Swiss franc as well. Okay. So until we can see some type of peace or halt on hostilities in Europe, we're going to continue to see a continual weakening of the major three European continents currencies, which is the Great British Pound, the CHF, and the Euro. And we will see some intermediate strength happening with that as good as positive news comes out about each of those respective currencies and dealing with the CHF, because that's the one we're speaking on now. Okay. Now with the USD, the USD has come into the mid part of this trading week, still remaining as one of our stronger currencies. But we're going to start to see a slowing down of some of the strength of this currency, and this slowing down is going to be solely related to the slowing down is going to be slowly related to it having more negative news and positive news coming out about it. Now, we did have some good positive news come out about the USD early today, but the markets didn't react very favorably towards that. Didn't come out as aggressive as it has done when the USD has had some favorable news, which leading us to believe that the currency is now starting to stagnate in the strength that it's gaining. And even though it is not weak, it can start performing as weak on the charts due to where its retracement starts to pick up. And now, since we're getting into the charts, let us now discuss that. Okay. So now we're dealing with a 2-year all-time high with the USDCHF. We are waiting to see some retracement comes back in with this chart. So there's a good possibility we may actually go up another 20 to 30 pips before we start to fall back down. So for the for the short term, you may be able to have to squeeze another 10 to 30 pips out of this for a buy. But for the long term, for the short to intermediate term, it's definitely going to be some selling going on. How far can price drop? Price can drop as far as here, here, or here before it continues to go back into the fundamental long position. Okay, so for the short to intermediate term, we are going to see some drops in price very soon. But the long term position is it's going to be buying. Okay. If you guys enjoy our content, I invite you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get updated information every time we drop new Forex and trading content. Also, I ask that you please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos will allow our videos to get pushed further out there to YouTube, so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders. Because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Also, last but not least, please also reach out to us, because we will do market analysis upon request. So if you guys have any requests with crypto, stocks, other forex pairs, metals, oil, whatever is on the chart, please reach out to us. We'll break it down for you, make a market analysis video for you. Okay, you can reach out to us by either commenting to us, commenting on our any video that you do watch, or you can reach out to us through our email, or through our various social media sites, our emails, our links to our email and our various social media sites is listed in every description of every video. Please reach out to us and let us know which charts you guys want broken down so we know how to best accommodate and serve you. With that being said, happy trading.